Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. Before we get started with today's video, I got a shop card shout out. Big thank you to Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. If you guys haven't checked out Joe, he is a great guy. He promotes all kinds of other channels. He does awesome work, and man, the guy has got a great voice. He really is a talented modeler and YouTuber. So if you guys haven't done so already, go check out Joe over at the Big Sky Model Workshop. Joe, thank you so much for the card, and thank you, sir, for the kind words on the back. I've been working on my Dart for the USACC build, and I really don't have too much of an update. But as I got back here on the bench, I've realized I have a ton of other projects. I'm still building a wrecker from the 1926 Mack Bulldog. I am still working on the 4x4 off-road group build. I still have a memorial build to finish up for Terry, who we lost a couple months ago. And every once in a while, I touch on my BG appreciation build. And that is actually coming along pretty well. I'm pretty satisfied so far with the direction of that. As I said in my announcement video for the USACC group build, I have a sealed Revell 1968 Dodge Dart Hemi kit to give away. I had 8 people tell me that they were interested, and my random number generator is on my phone. So we're going to hit pause real quick and come back, and I'm going to show you guys who won. Unfortunately, that's the only way we can do it. We can't do it live on air because everything's on my phone. So give me just a second. All right. So did that real quick. And the winner is William over at Ruckus Rod and Custom. So what I'm going to do, William, I'm going to send you an email. I'm going to make sure that you're still interested in this kit, and if so, I'll get that in the mail for you, and if not, we'll select another name. That's kind of where we're at today. Just a quick little bench update, not really too much going on. I thank each and every one of you for your continued support, and I will see you on the next one. I myself am off to the Oakland A's game. Yes, one of the very last games at the Oakland Alameda County Coliseum.